We lost so much hair. This is how much hair we lost.
Been 4 weeks since I started combing these locks out, and we are only halfway through. I need to remain excited. I'm talking like I need these out of here yesterday. 10 days to do what it took me 30 days to do. Technically, I finished yesterday, the 30th. I was honestly getting a little depressed because it was like the only thing I could do all day, because some locks would take like 2-3 hours for one lock, y'all. Do y'all see this? Ridiculous. I see my future, and it's safe to say it's bright.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We are finally getting started with combing out these locks. I'm super excited for today's video. So of course I am a certified procrastinator. It's super late. It is 11:30 p.m. the day before Christmas Eve. I mean, if I don't start, I feel like I'm never gonna start because I'm a procrastinator. So ain't nothing to it but to do it. For our tools for today, I will be using regular water to wet the hair. It needs to be super saturated. A metal tail comb. I actually took one out a few days ago, and it took me an hour to take it down. And I noticed that the best tool to use was a metal tail comb. The tip up here, it like ripped the plastic, it like rips your hair and things like that. So if you want to retain as much of your hair as possible without breaking your hair unnecessarily, then use a metal tail comb when it comes to combing it out. And then of course, we're gonna need to drench that thing in conditioner. So I have this leave-in conditioner from Pattern. I'm not sure if there's a particular conditioner you're supposed to use, but I know conditioners are good for detangling, and that's what we need the hair to do, is detangle. I also have my Design Essentials conditioner, so I'm gonna go grab that because that actually might be a little bit better. Actually, my Design Essentials conditioner, I just used this container back when I was like doing hair, so that's why it's in this container. But maybe in another session, I will use actual detangling spray. I don't have any, but I think that would be helpful. So we'll get some and we'll use it for a future appointment. But we need to go ahead and get started with this takedown today. I need to find something to watch.
I'm glad I did this style to take down my locks because the rest of my hair can stay out of the way when I'm working on just 1 or 2 locks.
Okay, so this is the length that we're working with, but let's go ahead and drench her. From all of the videos that I've already watched, it looked like it took most girls with their locks at this length, like an hour to take out one. So on average, it took them like an hour. I have a total of 78 locks, so it's gonna take us about 78 hours. As far as how many hours per day will I do, I don't know. We're gonna have to see. I'm gonna start with the Design Essentials. Added a little bit of water to it just to make it a little bit easier to apply to the lock. The moment I have been waiting for. Do a time check. It is 11:45. Let's see how long this takes us. I'm already prepared to lose so much hair. When I took the first one out, like mind you, it was the length of this, right? And this was what was left. But this is like this lower corner. So I'm like, I don't want to cut just yet. I want to see how much length I retain on the rest of them. Okay, I'm going to work on this. This is how she is coming along. But anyways, I'm going to work on this and I'll be back.
Yeah, like I said, make sure the hair is really saturated, like super wet. You don't want it to be dry. Use the metal end of your comb. To me, this helped it glide out smoothly. And at this point, I'm just using the water and the conditioner that I have, the Pattern Beauty and the Design Essentials. Actually, I think here I'm only using Design Essentials just because the Pattern Beauty is more expensive. So I'm trying to preserve it. But it's doing pretty good. But I do find my hair is kind of brittle. So I'm going to end up adjusting that, or like finding a solution to it not being so brittle, even when I'm putting on the conditioner, in the next clip.
She is all combed out. We did one and it took us an hour and 10 minutes. Wow. Oh my gosh. Okay, way too long, but this is where she's stopping at, where she started. Let me show you. But definitely going to trim it because that is like just taking up so much freaking time. I'm like, yeah, we're going to start cutting. I got more length out of this one, I would say. So that's why I was like, I'm not going to cut it right away because other ones I might end up getting more length out of it. And this one I did. And this, we lost so much hair. This is how much hair we lost. Yeah, that's a lot. Put a little bit of pattern on there. Okay, our second one for the night is done. She is all taken out. This one, I retained a whole lot more length, but still a lot of shedding. Even though I cut it, it still took me about 1 hour and 6 minutes, so I didn't save a whole lot of time. But I will say the further up to the root I move, like the closer to the root I get, there's a lot less shedding.
I was only going to do 2 for tonight, but I'm in the zone and Chris is asleep. So I might as well go ahead and knock out another one and get back to business tomorrow. But I'll be going to the hair store first, of course. So I decided I needed to come to the hair store so that I can pick up a detangling spray and also this product that I seen another girl using to comb out her locks. She said it was making it so much easier. The conditioners, I don't know. I feel like my hair is getting like really dry. Of course it's dry, but I just feel like the conditioner is not helping the way I need it to. So we're going to try some other products and see if that's going to help the comb out process. I'm using my front camera on my new iPhone 17. Clock it. I think it looks pretty good. But anyways, let's go see what we can find. So I've never heard of this brand before. This is new, but I do know that like products that are good for my hair right now, because I realize my hair is like low porosity. So products that will be good for me are like water-based products because they will absorb better into my hair. And that's what I need right now. This music is so loud. So we're going to try this, and it literally addresses the fact that it will help with hair porosity and prevent breakage and strengthen the hair. So we're definitely going to get this one. Okay, so we're going to get these 2 bottles. So it's the detangler, and they're 14-in-1 miracle worker. I believe that's what the girl was using in the video. So I'm going to try that. They're only like $6 a piece. So we're going to get that. And that way I can use the detangler and I don't have to like run through the As I Am products because it's a little more expensive. So hopefully that works out.
I'm back. So it has been 4 weeks since I started combing these locks out, and we are only halfway through. Now, not to get discouraged. We don't need to get discouraged, okay? We need to remain excited. And I still have this top half out. I don't even know exactly how many I did, but I feel like I'm like around the 40 mark, and I have 78. So I think up here we got about 38 more to go. And I'm going to take these down and count them. And I just took them out of the mini twist that I had them in just so I can see all of the hair out. And it's like, I like what we're working with. Lots of volume. I do feel like I have what they consider like fine hair, but it's high volume or high density. Yeah. Low porosity, high density, fine hair, type 4 hair. So that's what I think we're working with. But yeah, I am just going to put this back up in 2-strand twists just to get it out the way. But she is thick. Like, I can't wait to do slick backs. Like, I want to leave this puffy and curly and do like a slick back ponytail. I just feel like that'll be so cute. Don't know how we're going to accomplish it, but we'll figure that when the time comes. Anyways, the products. Let's get into the products that I was using. I was using, like I said, I got this from the dollar store, from the hair store. And this is the Hawaiian Silky Detangling Conditioner. We went through an entire bottle, so we will be restocking because I can't do this without this very important product. So we'll be getting more of this. I am about halfway through the 14-in-1 Silky. The bottle is so dirty, y'all. About halfway through the 14-in-1 Miracle Worker, also from Hawaiian Silky. And then once I get it like combed out and everything, I put the pattern leave-in conditioner on to do my mini twists. And of course, I've just been spraying it with water. So yeah, they've been taking like about 2 hours on average to do one. Sometimes more, very rarely less. But yeah, about 2.5 hours on average to take out just one lock. And I usually, like I showed you guys earlier, like I let the lock get down to like here before I cut it. And then I just comb out the rest and stretched out. This is like where it's at. Of course, we're going to do a big, decent trim when the time comes. Because not all of the hair, you know what I'm saying, reaches. So we'll do a big trim when the time comes. And I'm really hopeful that I'll be done by January 30th. That is my goal. We have 10 days to January 30th to take out the rest. I don't have anything planned. I don't have anything coming up or whatever that's going to get in the way. We had, of course, holidays and things like that that was interfering before, but I don't have anything coming up. So we got work to do. But that's the progress so far. I'm going to count these and see how many we have left. Okay. Just took the rest of my lock knots down and I am exactly 50% through. So I have 39 left, which means I took out 39. And yeah, because I had 78 in total. So I am so close. We're going to really like bust these out. Like I'm talking like I need these out of here yesterday. We got 10 days, 10 days to do what it took me 30 days to do. It's neither here nor there. I'm back, y'all, and I made it. I made it to the last lock. Technically, I finished yesterday, the 30th. And I just wanted to do this last one on camera with y'all, but I was so tired and I was looking so busted yesterday. I was like, I'm gonna save it for today. We're just gonna take out this last lock together and let me tell y'all about my journey because honestly, it was tragic. I also changed my process a little bit. I got a comment on TikTok and she was like, she dips her hair in the water instead of spraying it on there. And I started doing that and it was a game changer for me. So it helped retain the water in my hair a lot longer because like spraying it, I had to do that every 5 seconds, it felt like. So now we're just going to dip it in the water first and make sure you got a towel because you don't want to be messy. Okay, and then of course, spray her down with our Hawaiian Silky Detangler. I've been sticking this in my hair. I'm literally like, because I kept losing it. So yes, this was sticking in my hair. Okay, so this process, y'all, was so trying, but I'm so proud of myself because, like I said, I had like 38 or so to 39, something like that, to get done in 10 days. And I was so determined to do it. The first half, when I was doing the back, that took me 4 weeks, a whole month, because I wasn't working every single day and I was only taking out like 1 or 2 a day. And because that's like all my ADHD had time for, like I did not have the attention span for that. And I would skip days. Like there would be days where I just didn't do anything. And when I got to the front, I had no plans. I had no appointments, no work, nothing to do. So I was like, I am going to lock in every single day. And that's exactly what I did. I had to take out 3 a day at first, but then every day, I think the last like 3 days, I had to take out like 5 or 6 a day. Like yesterday, I had to take out 6. This would have been the 6th one, but I had to take out 6 yesterday. And I would have made it. I finished on time. Cannot wait to get these out of my head. And I was like, I am so determined to make my deadline because I do not want to take this into another month. I just need these things out immediately. I was honestly getting a little depressed because it was like the only thing I could do all day because some locks would take like 2-3 hours for one lock, y'all. For one lock. It was really tragic. So I really just had to commit because I was like, once this is over, I can get back to being me. Things can go back to normal. My house is a mess. A mess. Like there's hair everywhere, which is so frustrating. I don't be cleaning up the living room after I finish because it was like I'm going to be doing this all day, every day for the next week. So I would literally just leave it a hot mess. You have help, you need to use it. Like ask for help. I don't feel like I really had anybody I could ask for help, but at the same time, I was prepared to dedicate an entire month to taking them out. So, but if you got somebody like a sister or a friend or somebody willing to help you, then take advantage of that. Like right here, it looks like the hair is about to be this long, but it's not. It's so much hair shed. Like a lot of hair is gonna shed once I get to the top, usually. The way my edges, they shed so much hair. Like that's why I didn't start combing out from like down here. I just cut it because I knew a lot of it was gonna come out anyway, and I was like trying to save myself some time. Anyways, shout out to the Hawaiian Silky. It has been such a good product to use. I really love the slip that it gives my hair. Like it keeps it very wet and moisturized, and then it adds like this slip, kind of like an oil would, but it's like not as thick as a conditioner, but it's not as lightweight as an oil. So it's just so much slip, and it's been making it really easy. The detangler is helping the knots come out so easily, like they just falling right out. Like dipping it in the water, spraying the detangler, and then putting on the 14-in-1. That is the chef's kiss. That is the process. That's what y'all need to do. It's been really good. And then I saved the Pattern Beauty for the end once I've taken it all out because the Pattern Beauty is more expensive. The Hawaiian Silky is affordable, which is good because I'm already on my 2nd bottle of detangler. Of course, like I spray a lot of it on there. So I'm definitely going to keep those products in my rotation. I wonder in what ways I will use it, like to do what for what purpose exactly. I'm not sure. So, of course, I'll be documenting a lot of my journey, so you guys will see that. because I do really like the product. I just have this little bit, so let's finish strong together. I'm so excited, y'all. I'm not even doing my full first wash today. I'm not doing it. I have a nail appointment after this in a couple of hours. I'm like, I'm not gonna set myself up. So I'll do it tomorrow. I'm going to make a separate video for that. It's like I can see the light at the end of the tunnel. Okay, she's officially completely unlocked. Wearing my hair in these little jumbo twists. Like, there's a lot of hair. Guys, I look so crazy. So now I'm just going to take my hair out of these jumbo twists so that I can have some type of hairstyle going on when I go get my nails done. I'm going to twist this piece and then let this sit for like 20 minutes so it can match the rest of my head. But then I'm going to take all of the twists out, show you guys what I'm working with, and that's going to be that. That's going to be the end of it. Wait, thank you guys for unlocking my hair with me. And if you are currently in the process of taking your locks down, just know, I know you're going to feel really lonely. And I know you're going to feel really just like not yourself. But no, you're not alone. Okay, you are doing the thing, girl. You are doing the right thing. Don't give up. Obviously, you can't, but don't lose hope. Don't lose faith. Like, you're going to finish. I see my future, and it's safe to say it's right. I love her. She is cute. I haven't even washed her yet, y'all, but I would literally walk out the house like this. I don't know. I'm going to walk out the house like this. Well, not with this PJs on, but I'm going to walk out the house like this because why not? I got to see how I look in the back, though. What do we think? She's cute. This is all of the hair that came out. This is ridiculous. Ridiculous. Do y'all see that? I feel like I have just as much hair in this bag as I still do on my head. I can literally make a wig out of this. Do y'all see this? Ridiculous.
I have all of the locks, even from the very first cut that I ever did, and there was like 3 in total. And this is honestly still a lot of hair. Like, it's just so much that I'm letting go, but I'm okay with it.
We're gonna learn how to do it proper, like twist out and wash and go and all of the things, and we're gonna have fun with her. We gotta trim, we gotta clean her up. I'll be posting here on YouTube and also on TikTok, and I'm probably gonna start posting on my Instagram as well because if we're gonna be a creator, we need to be doing all of the things. So I'll be posting. Make sure you are following me on all platforms. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and please drop any questions or comments you have down below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.